Hello, Chinook, 7th grade mathematicians. In this video, we're going to talk about this first unit, Unit 7.0, How to Learn Math. You will be put into random groups of up to 4 people, and for the next 2 weeks, your group and you will work together using some tools. One of the first tools that you're going to use is Google Classroom. Another tool you're going to use is your math notebook. Another tool you're going to use is Desmos. And then the last tool that you're going to use, you'll learn more about it on Friday, is our growth tracker for Unit 7.0, How to Learn Math. In Google Classroom, you're going to click the Classwork tab, and you will see tomorrow the new Math and Hoodie Zoom links and passcode right before your class begins. You will also see in Google Classroom, underneath the Week 2 topic, the math notebook that will be shared with all students starting Monday, September 14th. One person in each group will actually go to Google Classroom and open up the notebook and then make a copy of the notebook and share that copy with the other people in your group. We've tried to organize your digital notebooks for you by these sections or tabs right here. We have roles and norms, teams, growth tracker, schedule, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. And when you have the growth tracker, when you have your digital notebook in present mode, you can actually click on any of the tabs and it will take you to the beginning part of that section. And then if you want to escape out of the presentation mode, you just hit escape, and there you are back in where you can see the slides on this side, and then you can see whichever slide you're on here. The work that you will be completing this week in math is a document called Getting to Know Each Other. It's in Desmos, and you will work on parts of it each day. A few slides on Monday, another few slides on Tuesday, and then the last of the slides on Thursday. You will also be working on an activity each day. So this says Desmos 7.01, and that is our unit is 7.0, and then that would be the 1 is lesson 1. That's what you'll do on Monday. And then there's Desmos 7.02, which you will do on Tuesday. And then on Thursday, you will work on Desmos 7.03. Again, you will be working with your group on each of these activities. So there will be one copy of the activity, and your group will work on it together. On Friday, we will be working on the growth tracker and showing you what it looks like and how you'll be using it, and how we'll be talking about how you're growing your brain each week. We'll be using this Desmos website a lot in 7th grade. The way that you get to this is we will usually give you a link, but if you ever want to get there yourself, it's just student.desmos.com. When the teacher gives you a code for the activity, and the first time that you're using it, you're going to put in the code and you will sign in with Google. Again, only one person for your group will do this and then share the activity with everyone. This is what this week's growth tracker is going to look like. It shows you the date and then the lesson and the learning target. And then you have multiple opportunities to show what you know. And then we always ask you the question, do you believe in yourself, or did you believe in yourself? And did you try your best that day? 7th graders, I look forward to working with you this year and growing your brains. And you're going to help me grow my brain. And I hope that this intro helped you just to understand a little bit better what kinds of tools you're going to be using this year in math.